Hey there, friends, Nibs again. Out here today. Hey there, friends, Nibs again. Out at the range today, doing a little bit of goofing around, and I wanted to do a video on this good old Barra that I've had for quite a while. It's pretty windy out here today, so we're just going to be doing some plinking with it. I got a little gallery set up out here with some cans and some silhouettes and some shotgun shells. I don't know if the wind will let us get those. We'll give them a try though. But this is what we have here. This is the old 1100Z 22 caliber Veil camo. I have a buck rail suppressor on the front of it. CV Life 3 to 9 by 40 AO scope. Really nice scope. Just a fun little gun. A lot of fun to shoot with. But let's go ahead and get it loaded up. Got some Crossman Premier hollow points here. Keeping it budget and old school here in this video. I think we'll have a lot of fun. So I have some I know the silhouette targets are from ATFL box. I don't know about the spinner targets. I don't think they are. I think those are something else I bought from Amazon a while back. It's a little chilly out today. Absolutely gorgeous day though. A little bit of wind, like I said, a little bit of wind. But can't let that slow us down, right? So let's see what we got here. So we've got, so I've got cans in the back. So I kind of set them up, and I don't know how the downrange camera is really showing it up, but I kind of set them up so that I got to shoot. So like to hit the cans, I got to shoot in between the targets and stuff. So it gives me a little bit more of a challenge. But I'll try to call my shots as best I can. Let's see here. So let me just, I got a can all the way on the left. Let's just see where we're shooting for starters. I'll aim at the P on the can. All right, hit a little to the left, but I hit the can. So some of these cans have little pieces of lead in the bottom of them to keep the wind from blowing them over, so it'd be tougher to knock them off. All right, let me hit the, so the spinner on the left-hand side. Oh, I don't want to knock all my other stuff over. All right, so I'm hitting a little left. All right, let's see if we can hit that shotgun shell just in front of that spinner. Oh yeah. All right, so now we have a there's a can behind that spinner. Oof. So I hit the I actually hit the spinner, and the ricochet off the spinner knocked the other can off. So all right, let me see if I can hit that can in the back now. It went right in between the two cans. There it is. So I'm trying to hold so I don't hit the spinners and stuff while I'm trying to hit those cans. So all right, so let's try for another shotgun shell. Oh, I seen where it went just to the left of it. Shotgun shell took out the can too. All right, so let's see, we got a little 1-inch splatter burst on the smaller size spinner. I don't know what size that is. I think it's a 2-inch. Oops, knocked down my other shotgun shell. Got one more shot in the mag here. What a fun plinker. All right, let's go over to the silhouettes now. For starters, I have a shotgun shell. It's right in front of a can, so probably when I hit the shotgun shell, it's going to take out the can too. Yep. That shotgun shell flew over the berm. Oh, this is so much fun. Oh, my fingers are a little numb. It's in the low 40s out here. It's not bad when you're out in the sun, but when you're out in the shade like this, it can be a little cool. All right, let's keep after him. Let's see. Let's hit the. See if we can hit the chicken. There's some wind. Smacks with some good authority, though. That's for sure. All right, I am going to try to hit the can behind that shotgun shell. You guys are off to an angle down there, so it doesn't really show up as good. So right now, that shotgun shell is directly in front of that last soda can that's up there. Oop, I just barely caught the ram instead of getting the can. So. It's tough to thread that needle. There it is. All right, let's see. Can we hit the pig? Clipped him right on the back, but it didn't make it spin. There he is. All right, can I hit that last shotgun shell? Let me hit that can off. Hit the bottom of that can first. Can I hit that shotgun shell? Oh, just to the left of it. There it is. That thing flew 20 feet. I think that was the last shot. Let me see. Yeah. How am I doing on air? Still doing good. Let's do one more mag. We'll just plink the spinners and the silhouettes with one more mag, and then we'll get out of here. I like setting the galleries up like that, so it's a little bit of a challenge, not just hitting the spinners, not just hitting, but you got to shoot in between stuff and try not to hit the innocent bystanders in the front. All right, 10 more shots. All right. Spinner on the far left. The other, I think it's a 3-inch. Dead center. Smaller spinner. Oh, it's wiggling. What? All right, let's go to the silhouettes. Ooh. Getting a little low all of a sudden. There it is. Still got plenty of air. Let's go back to that spinner again. Wow. There it is. Boy, that was giving me some grief, huh? All right. Turkey. This is our last one. Let's hit the pig. Ba-toing. Let's see here. Is that the last one? Yep. Alrighty. So there you go. That is the Barra 1100Z. Pretty cool gun. Having a lot of fun. I just love doing plinking like that. So anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.